All right, what do you guys think about this entry here? We had this big move up, and then, we pulled back. We had a break of this downtrend. And so this would be the second entry long from the top. First entry, second entry. But, I wasn't fully trusting this one for whatever reason. Thought that maybe we could be starting some kind of downtrend, so I didn't take it. And then we come up, and then there's, it turns down, gives you a nice bearish bar, but you're still above the EMA, comes back down in this next run, and then has this big reversal, bullish bar. So I figured that was kind of my confirmation that it was going long. But I wasn't, not fully convinced for whatever reason, even though it looks like a great setup to go long. It certainly doesn't look like a place where it's going to go short, but we'll see. I'm always suspicious when, you had this bearish bar sitting in there. So we'll wait and see. I think that this should be a good entry. We'll find out. Alright. Slowly working our way up. If I had gotten in at the original second entry, everything would be fine. But, we've got a lot of ups and downs here. And every time I turn on the recording, red paint shows up. Let's see. So we might have had a break of this little move up, and we could be ready to go down now. I don't know. That could be correct as well. I still think we're going to get it. I still think we're going to be fine. But it's no fun to wait through all this. So, back to pause. Victory at last. Alright, let's move that up to break even. And you always need to have your measured moves. So that would be a hell of a measured move. It looks like it's headed in that direction. So we're going to go for 30 ticks here. Measured move, I could go for 40. Of course, we did have the previous high of the day was here. And then over here so I'm talking about here. That was the opening high. And then we established this high, and then we broke through. So I think this is reasonable. I'm going for 30. Alright, so I had my target up here at 30 ticks, and after it started moving sideways, I still held out, and then finally gave up and bailed out at 20 ticks, 45.69, so we banked 20 ticks, so that's 300 sim bucks on the day, and then it came up and it got to my 30 tick target. It never made it past that, so I don't know if I would have got out especially if this was real money. I don't know if I would have got out, and it still might continue on, but it's been a little while, so I thought we would check back in. Yeah, and there it's going. So let's see. We'll give this a couple seconds here to see if it does make it past that. And I've got my target, because that's a measured move off of this move here. So my target, you could have gone an easy 40 ticks before the end of the target. But we'll check in later. We'll come back if something interesting happens.